Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your media air conditioner keeps turning off by itself and never seems to stay running long enough to cool the room properly, it can definitely become upsetting during warmer days. Sometimes the media air conditioner starts normally and then suddenly shuts off after a few minutes, while other times it powers down randomly without any clear reason. A situation like this can happen because of airflow problems, timer settings, overheating protection, or temporary system interruptions that are easy to overlook. Before assuming something major completely stopped working, there are a few simple things worth checking because many media air conditioner shutdown problems can improve after quick adjustments. In this video, let's go through several easy steps to help fix a media air conditioner that keeps turning off. Try these. Step 1. Check settings on the media air conditioner and confirm no timer is turned on. Step 2. Clean the filter inside the media air conditioner if airflow feels weak or blocked. Step 3. Inspect vents around the media air conditioner to confirm airflow moves freely. Step 4. Restart the media air conditioner briefly if it keeps shutting down unexpectedly. Step 5. Lower the room temperature setting on the media air conditioner if cooling stops too soon. Step 6. Test the media air conditioner again and confirm it stays running normally.